In this video I am going to show you some calligraphy hacks. So for that the things we need are a board where you will be doing this calligraphy. You can either take a canvas board or as I am doing it a tutorial, so I am doing it in my small whiteboard. Even you can take your copy. You can also take it if you are a beginner, so you can also take a ruled copy. So let's start. For beginners, I will suggest that use brush pens. I am using Camlin brush pens, Camlin Kukuyo. So brush pen is better option, and if you have calligraphy pens it would be much better. But if you don't have brush pens or either calligraphy pens, you can use normal blue pens or black pens. But I would suggest that gel pen will be better if you are doing with pens. But for beginners, brush pen or the calligraphy pens are the best. So let me start. What are the first tricks? Let me show you. Always the upstrokes. I am writing here upstrokes. Upstroke should be always thinner. Upstroke should be always thinner, whereas the downstrokes, the downstrokes are always thicker. Can you see the difference between the upstroke and downstroke? So let me give you more examples. So for that I have to rub this board. Let me show you. Suppose you have to draw U, means sometimes we come across many words that have this type of pattern like U, right? So in calligraphy how we'll do it is, I have already told you about the upstrokes and downstrokes. So you can see over here this U, this part is coming down, so this will be thicker, and this part is going up, so this will be thinner. Can you find the basic difference between this upstroke and downstroke? So let me make it more clear. I am writing just a simple U, and let me draw here a line so that you can understand the difference between the upstroke and the downstroke. So hope you can see it very clearly. This part is coming down, so this will be very thick, and as from this part it is going up, so it will be thin. So here you can see the difference between the upstroke as well as the downstroke. So here there will be no confusion. So again, in many words we come across like A-like figures, like A, but we often write the figure like this, but this is absolutely wrong. So how we will do is, we will just do like the upstroke and downstroke. This is going up, so this will be thinner, and this is going down, so this will be thicker. Again, this is going up, this will be thinner, and from here it is going down, so this will be thicker. So this is the calligraphy A. So again we come across many designs, such as like in this A we have done this like figures, this like figures. In many words we do like that. In wedding cards or in any party cards, you are often familiar with this type of symbols. How to write this type of letters. So guys, I am again telling you, if you don't have brush pen or calligraphy pen, you can go for a normal pen or pencil, but I would suggest that brush pen or either calligraphy pen will give you the best results. If you don't know how to use brush pen, you can go for many tutorials, or I have already shown you how to use this brush pen. But I would suggest that brush pen or calligraphy pen will give you much more better result than any other pen or pencil. Or if you don't have either of this and you cannot buy this also, you can go for gel pens, not ball pens. So let me show you those designer letters. Suppose I'm writing R. So like this I will be writing R. Like this are done. Now here you can give many type of designs like this, then this. Any type of design you can go for. And another letters. Suppose I'm doing A. Okay, suppose I'm doing A. This is another design you can go for. So like this you can able to write the calligraphy letters, and these are not at all tough. So I have already written some of the quotes. Let me show you. Here I have written, life is beautiful. So here you can see the difference between the upstrokes and the downstrokes. Here in this line you can see this stroke is going upwards, so the line is thicker, but as it was going downwards, the line is thicker. Here too you will be find this same thing done. And another thing is stay positive. I have written. Here also you will be able to see this Y. See the rod of this Y. As it was going upwards, so it had a very thin line. And this T, as it is going downwards, so it has much thicker line. Also you can try many more items such like this calligraphy. You can write even quotes, and then you can give it to my Instagram account. It will be given in the description box. So if you find this video helpful, do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Also share this video to your friend who don't know how to do calligraphy but is interested in it.